If some old white woman that's part of the generation that contributed directly to my pain and my trauma and my anguish and my loneliness and my bullying, she was as old as my parents. This old white lady is no better than the sickest person I know, which is my father. And he would still look at this and go like, he would still take credit for all the lives that we've changed. He would still take credit because he's a narcissist. He would still take credit for all of my hard work, my machine, my body, my mind, my success, all of this. He would basically chalk it all up to, if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have this opportunity. I wouldn't be who I am, all this stuff. Even though he's the reason why I drank myself to death. Even though he's the reason why I wanted to take myself out at 14 years old. Even though he's the reason I would rather be homeless on the street than be around him and other people like him. And so to see somebody that I don't know, that doesn't know any better, to just refer to literally my life's work as a project, it's not infuriating, it's not even upsetting, it is motivating as shit.